Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Adam and Anna podcast. Today's episode is all about small talk in real life.
That's right. We'll practice 50 useful small talk sentences. I'll answer Anna's questions, and you can repeat after me. Just follow our soft, slow-paced conversation and shadow each sentence with us. Use these easy phrases when you start your day.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm good, thank you. And you?
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Yes, I slept well.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had toast and coffee. Yes, I had toast and coffee.
What's your plan for today?
I have a few meetings and then some time to relax. I have a few meetings and then some time to relax. Well done. These are small but powerful sentences you can say every morning. Now let's talk about daytime, what we do at school, work, or home. These sentences are helpful when you talk about your job or school.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of work to do. Yes, I have a lot of work to do.
Where do you work?
I work at a small tech company. I work at a small tech company.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's interesting and I learn a lot. Yes, I do. It's interesting and I learn a lot.
How was your meeting?
It went well. We finished early. It went well. We finished early.
Are you working from home?
Yes, I'm working remotely this week. Yes, I'm working remotely this week.
Great job. These sentences help you connect with coworkers, classmates, and new people. Now let's talk about food, a fun topic for small talk. Food is a great way to start conversations. Everyone eats. What did you have for lunch?
I had rice and vegetables. I had rice and vegetables.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it, especially Indian curry. Yes, I love it, especially Indian curry.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I really like the Italian place near my home. I really like the Italian place near my home.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I usually drink coffee in the morning. I usually drink coffee in the morning.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I like cooking simple meals. Yes, I like cooking simple meals. Awesome! Talking about food is always a safe and fun way to start a conversation. Now, let's move on to weather and daily surroundings. Weather is one of the most common small talk topics around the world.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. A beautiful day. It's sunny and warm. A beautiful day.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, especially when I can stay indoors and read. Yes, especially when I can stay indoors and read.
Is it cold where you are?
Yes, I'm wearing a sweater today. Yes, I'm wearing a sweater today.
Do you check the weather often?
Yes, I usually check it in the morning. Yes, I usually check it in the morning.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring. It's fresh and full of color. I love spring. It's fresh and full of color.
Great. Small talk about the weather is common and easy to practice. Next, let's explore hobbies and free time activities. These sentences help you talk about your interests and what you enjoy doing. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and going for walks.
I like reading and going for walks.
Do you play any sports?
I sometimes play football with my friends. I sometimes play football with my friends.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy soft rock and instrumental music. I enjoy soft rock and instrumental music.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I watch a movie every weekend. Yes, I watch a movie every weekend.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places. Yes, I love visiting new places. Excellent. Hobbies help build connections with others. Let's move to weekend plans, a very common small talk topic. Perfect for casual chats on Fridays or Mondays.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I plan to relax and clean my room. I plan to relax and clean my room.
Do you go out on weekends?
Sometimes I go out with friends. Sometimes I go out with friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes and books. Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes and books.
Do you visit your family on weekends?
Yes, I usually visit them on Sundays. Yes, I usually visit them on Sundays.
What do you do to relax?
I listen to music or take a walk in nature. I listen to music or take a walk in nature. You're doing amazing. Small talk on weekends and free time makes you sound friendly and fluent. Now let's learn some travel and location-based questions.
Use these when talking about vacations, holidays, or locations. Have you traveled recently?
Yes, I went to the mountains last month.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, the sea makes me feel calm.
Where would you like to travel next?
I want to visit Japan someday.
Have you been to a foreign country?
Yes, I visited Singapore last year.
Do you enjoy long drives?
Yes, especially on weekends with music. Yes, especially on weekends with music. Travel topics are great to expand your conversations. Let's finish with general phrases that can be used anytime, anywhere. These short and simple expressions are useful in any small talk situation.
Do you live around here?
Yes, just a few blocks away. Yes, just a few blocks away.
How long have you lived in this area?
I've been here for about 3 years. I've been here for about 3 years.
What do you like about your neighborhood?
It's peaceful and close to everything. It's peaceful and close to everything.
That's a nice bag you have.
Thank you. It was a gift. Thank you. It was a gift.
You look fresh today.
Thanks. I had a good night's sleep. Thanks. I had a good night's sleep.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go for a walk every morning. Yes, I go for a walk every morning.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I like short stories and novels. Yes, I like short stories and novels.
What are you reading now?
I'm reading a book on daily habits. I'm reading a book on daily habits.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I love dogs. Yes, I love dogs.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I'd love to adopt one someday. No, but I'd love to adopt one someday.
Do you speak any other languages?
Just a little Spanish. Still learning. Just a little Spanish. Still learning.
Well done. Listeners, you've now practiced 50 useful small talk sentences with answers. These sentences are short, real, and super useful in everyday life.
Repeat this episode as many times as you need. Your English will improve step by step.
You're doing great. Small talk is a big step toward fluency. See you in the next episode of the Adam and Anna podcast.
Bye for now. Like, share, and subscribe to the Adam and Anna podcast.